Hey guys, Zach here. Today we're going to be working on a worship track. This video is actually going to be about the client revisions. So we've mixed it and we've sent it to them, and now they've sent back some revisions that you can see in the text document that I keep pulling up. Sorry about the mic being low sometimes whenever the music's going and I'm talking, but you should be able to read the revisions that they have in that text document as I pull it up, and then I go through and make them. And so let's jump right in. All right, hey guys, I just have some client revisions to do today. These are real client revisions that he just sent me yesterday, so I'm just going to work my way through them. Let's pull them up. So make sure we're on the right song. All right. And I mean, English is his second language, so we're going to try to translate these the best as possible. Level up synth lead as main instrument from 4 seconds to 16 seconds. So we're going to switch this to time. All right, 4 seconds to 16. So 16 is right there. So I guess once the vocals come in is what he wants. All right, so we're just gonna automate this track. Give it a little bit of a natural fade. Let's see. Okay, so it sounds like their S sound comes in before the actual main vocal. All right. Okay. 無限構思似真美事，齊來頌讚恩歌，願世內永頌主的愛，神救贖愛萬民，無限降卑作出獻奉，完成十架犧牲，為世人你願獻所有，奉力美，極榮美。 要高舉我主，宣告救贖主恩典，公義及慈愛不變，稱讚
go to 129. Let's see. Do I have a group for these already? Nope. All right. I'm just making the group so I can automate it. Is there already a chorus? Let's see.
你要高舉我主，宣告救贖主恩典，公義及慈愛不變，稱讚你名榮耀頌歌覆蓋全地，全心敬拜，全心敬拜，因為在普天照，唯獨你尊貴尊配稱讚。
Okay, 227 solo and 303 outro, level up and pan to center for lead guitar. Okay, easy enough. So 227 and 303. Dude, that was a good guess where 227 was. Almost nailed it. All right. Lead guitar. That would be right here. almost done with the ones for this song. 303, mute the synth till the ending. All right. 30. So I guess he wants this part gone.
唯獨你尊貴只配稱讚。
And he said, I forgot one amen phrase at the end. Please amend the track attached. All right. I don't know what this is going to be like. Yes, isn't it nice when they send the file at the right length? Well, I guess let's see if it really is though. I guess that's what we wanted. Let's see. Let's send this one to the stereo. And then and then I'll do song 2 later. For both songs, hope that all choruses boast a bit more on all vocals compared to verses. Overall, less compression. All right, let's see. So let's drop down our limiter a little.
因為在普天照，唯獨你尊貴只配稱讚。
So I'm hoping that his one revision of leveling up the background vocals is going to meet some of this, a bit more vocals on the choruses issue. If not, he'll probably come back and say that he wants me to do it, which I'll just do it. I'll raise the vocals on the actual chorus, so the lead and the other vocals. I don't want to add too much top end on the mix itself because I don't want it to be too harsh, but I'll give him a little bump if that's what he's looking for.
公義及慈愛不變，稱讚你並榮耀頌歌覆蓋全地，全心敬拜，全心敬拜，因為在普天照，唯獨你尊。
makes him happy. Because the overheads in this one were, they were really bright. So I already had to like knock off a bunch of. I mean, I'll show you.
因為在普天志，唯獨你尊貴絕配稱讚。
Okay, so we're gonna bounce this, and hopefully he's happy with that. If not, I'm sure he'll send more revisions. And the way I do revisions is I just start at final 1 and then keep going until they stop. So this one's going to be final 2. If he sends more, it'll be final 3. And we'll just keep going. And that's pretty much how I do revisions. So if you have any questions, send me a message.